Okay, let's test out washing a red sweatshirt with whites. So I have a brand new red sweatshirt, and then I have a white t-shirt, some socks, and a dish towel, 3 different materials, and the red sweatshirt. I do have a load of darks here. I love these color dye catchers, I call them. So I don't really 100% know how they work, but they do work. So you put one of these little towels in, you just like throw it in. So let's throw that in, and then we're gonna put the red in, and then we're going to put all of these white items in. So you just run a regular load, a regular wash, and we are going to see if these really can hold up to the red. I use these all the time when I'm washing like new black jeans or black sweatshirts that might bleed a little bit, and they're amazing, but I've never tried it with reds. So let's give it a whirl and see how this all turns out. Okay, everybody, I just took all of the laundry out. So here's the red sweatshirt. Here is my towel and my sock. They are not pink. And let's keep going. Here's the t-shirt, and nothing is pink. I'm looking for the little cloth. I don't know what happened to it. Peppa's here to help, right, Pep? Okay, let's see where it is. Okay, I found it. Sorry, I had to just stop filming so I could find it. So you could see this did pick up a lot of the color. Again, it's magical. I just don't know how it happens, but it does. So get these. They are absolutely amazing. They are going to save your clothes. Love, love, love.